G'day, thanks for watching. Let's take a look at the Dow. So spoiler alert, last night's bar, the 10th of October in the US, it's US time, there was a large down bar on most of the indexes and Bitcoin as well. I normally don't look at what we could have done. I like to look ahead, but in this case, I had a question earlier today about setting a probability box for where price might go. So this is an FLD projection. Let's just duplicate that. And let's assume that perhaps the latest that this might cross, because it looks like it's going to cross, the latest that it might cross, let's say, is round about there, which would be Monday or Tuesday of next week. And using those 2 points on the ends of those projections, we can put a probability box. Now, this is just a guide. It's not meant to be definitive. The thing that's most important is that it's time for a low. And this gives us a sense of the time that it might occur. But I find that these forecasts work better in terms of price most of the time. Sometimes they can be scarily good for both. So that's in place. Let's now see what happened, bring in some data. Oy vey, look at that. Oh. So that's just about hit exactly this forecast. So if we take this away and move this one out of the road, that's not bad. So does that mean the low is in? Well, no. There's no guarantee that the low's in. But we've got Saturday, we've got Sunday, and then Monday, we're in the zone for a low. So we'll have to wait and see. But as far as I'm concerned, this is now time to trade long. After plunge, there is bounce. Now, this is a valid trend line, which I'm going to put in place based on this low so far. The other thing that I've just noticed is it's right in the middle of the 40-day orb. Might be one day early. Now, this valid trend line is not valid until the low's in, but it's there as a reminder for me. So my plan says after plunge, there is bounce, therefore set long. Okay. Oh, well, then the next thing that we could do is we could again assume that we have a low, and just for demonstration, we'll use the low of that bar, and we can do our projection box up here. So as I wiggle that around, I'm tracking it across this section of the FLD. And what that's forecasting, of course, is break of all-time highs. Now, the bigger picture, let's update the weekly. the bigger picture is we are looking for a 40-week low. Now that's a few weeks out yet, and I'm anticipating that the strength of this underlying uptrend will be maintained. I therefore expect that the all-time high, which is the dashed line, will continue to get pushed up until we get closer to this 40-week low zone. And then we'll be looking for plunge into that. And so the whole process goes on. Okay, thanks for watching.